The PNP will deploy a total of 54,989 personnel nationwide, composed of 36,163 PNP personnel, 4,738 from the augmented units, and 14,088 members from auxiliary groups and force multipliers. They will maintain security, peace and order in places of convergence, such as tourist destination, transport terminals, major highways, seaports, airports, and other public places. Among our key operational measures is the ensuring of maximum police presence in strategic locations to deter criminals and to immediately respond to public concerns. The PNP are also conducting continuous risk and threat assessments, while intelligence unit provide timely updates to field commanders to support proactive security operations. In addition, the police community relation units are tasked to conduct a massive information campaign to raise public awareness and to promote safety reminders during this period. Meanwhile, the anti-cybercrime group is directed to intensify cyber patrolling and information dissemination on fraudulent travel offers, fake online bookings, and other online scams to protect the public from cyber-enabled fraud and travel-related scams. The PNP will also establish motor assistance centers, police assistance desks, and tourist police assistance desks along major travel routes to assist motorists, travelers, and tourists. Pads and e-pads will serve as accessible help and information points where both local and foreign tourists may seek police assistance and report incidents. The Philippine National Police remain committed to its mandate of protecting the people and maintaining peace and order. With the support and cooperation of all stakeholders, we are confident that Ligtas Sumbak 2026 will help ensure a safe, peaceful, and enjoyable summer vacation for everyone. Maraming salamat.